Dark of night, a foot of snow, pure and white and deadly. My father took me by the hand and asked me, are you ready? He took me up beyond the trees to where the rock is bare. He took me to a frozen lake and made me say a prayer. Dark of night, 2 feet of snow, drifting sheer and pure. My father bade me walk along the frozen gravel shore. When we had walked a mile or more, my father drew his bow. He shot an arrow in my back and left me in the snow. Dark of night, a foot of snow, bloody red and steaming. He called his father's name once more, but he had left him bleeding. I called my father's name once more and offered him a prayer. The ice cracked on the frozen lake, my father left me there. My father left me there. He shot an arrow in my back and then he left me there. Dark of night, 3 feet of snow, my father killed me. I watched my blood soak through the snow and knew he walked within me. I called my father's name and offered one last prayer. The ice cracked on the frozen lake, my father's love was there. Dark of night, a foot of snow, bloody red and steaming. He called his father's name once more, but he had left him bleeding.
Hey, hey, hey. Howdy, howdy, y'all. How's it going today? Oh shit, Cloven, thank you so much for the song. What? Oh my god. 13 months is fucking insane, Cloven. Cloven, how have you been doing, by the way? I'm so happy that you're finally, like, getting some VR stuff going. Okay, how much charge do we have? 74%? That should be good. So let's charge a little bit longer. There we go. That's looking good there. That's looking good there. Good. Work is dead today, so I can actually join stream. Oh my gosh. How's work going? Like, what's been going on? Is wild that I've been around that long? Oh my goodness. It's wild that you've been on this earth for that long, you know? Imagine being older than 13 months. That's insane. Okay, so I need this one. I don't need this one. I need this one and this one. Okay. Computer is charged. Do you know what you're planning to cook or not yet? I think I've got my ideas. I just need to find socks. Let me put on some socks. Today, we are going to make a little bit of pumpkin pie because, like, it is October. It is Thanksgiving. Like, in a week and a half or something. So it feels like a reasonable time to go make some pumpkin pie, I think. Now that I'm like not as burdened with the concept of debt within my mind, like it's not something I have to think about on a minutely basis. I'm like actually gaming so hard. You're free and young, 2 second old self could never fathom such an existence. 2 seconds? Make that 10 seconds, okay? I graduated from 2 seconds 8 seconds ago, okay? Listen. Ajax, welcome, welcome. How are you? Alright, so I've got a new idea for setup for my ability to listen to the music. So we're gonna test this out. I need you, Cloven, to tell me if you hear the music. Just wait. All right. If I set the music to be from here, do you hear the music? No? Fuck. 1 second. It's showing an input. How about now? Oh, I see it. I see the issue.
Hate to give the satisfaction asking how you're doing now. How's the castle built of people you
that boom. All right, now do you hear it? Just being naughty? Ajax, you're being naughty? You hear it? Okay, okay. Audio's good. Okay, perfect. Okay, how am I doing this? I'm taking this and this. I need a cable, which I have next to me. Okay. All right, we got it. Let's go. Got your puppet and your toy out. Oh, slay. Sucker. Aim fucker. Bleeding me dry like a goddamn vampire. Okay, I can close all the apps here. I can open up NDI on my phone. Okay. How do you lie without flinching? Oh, what a mesmerizing, terrifying, fucked up little thrill. Keep doing, and God knows I never will. Not for me and not her. 'Cause girls your age know better. Made some real big mistakes. And my iPad, I open up the channel. Making sure I'm connected to the internet. Of course. Okay. Yeah. I turned it up to like try and make it so that you could hear it. Give me a second, let me lower it down. There we go. That should probably be fine. It'll change in a second anyways, so. Okay, so I haven't shaved today. That's kind of fucked up, so. This is fine. All right, so that works there. You should hear me twice in a second, okay? Do you hear me in two locations? Two
Two
separate,
separate locations of Volvair.
Yeah?
Yeah?
No?
No?
Are there
Are
two
there two
Volpe
Volpe
voices right now? Please tell me I'm doing this correctly. Damn vampire. Yes. Okay. Good. Okay. So I'm gonna turn off this mic. And there we go. All right. All right. So I can move this computer. Your delay is so bad. Oh, don't worry. You're at work, right? Yeah. Yeah, you're all good. Don't you worry. And I can pick all this stuff up. And I'm untethered. Let's go. Here's the setup right now, okay? Whoa, what the hell is up the exposure? Here's the music. I've gotten late. Whatever. The chat's gonna be. There we go. Okay, how does this look here? Hopefully. All right, give me a swipe down the counter here. Right. I'm doing really well, PG. How are you doing today? Welcome. All right, let's see here. What do we got? Mm. We're 73 mils. What's that in cups? It's not water, so I can't weigh that easily, you know? I would be able to use evaporated milk to make this sweeter, but I'm just gonna use cream for now because I'm literally like not even real. I'll just add a little bit of extra sugar or something. This might turn out not very good, but we'll see. Cinnamon cookies upset your stomach and you vomited at 3 a.m.? Holy shit. Are you okay? How are you feeling? No. Music's cutting in and out. That's not something I can control, so. That's an internet issue, so don't worry about it. If it's bad, it's bad. If it's good, it's good. Whatever. You want to cook with me so bad? Hell yeah. We're schemers, okay? That's just how it is. Alright, let's see here. So today we are going to be making some pumpkin pie because I am literally starving to eat cloves right now. And mentally, it's like absolutely ravaging my mind. Not ravishing. Ravishing would be cloven, to be fair. So that's where we're at. Awesome. All right. Okay, I'm gonna need my salt here. Game of salt. I'm trying to think about like how much butter I need because like I'm pretty sure it's about a cup, but I can't remember. Oh, I forgot to beat the eggs. What am I doing, bro? I'll just do it in a separate bowl. All right, whatever. That's not. Oh. Let me get my eggs out. There's like a slice of ice underneath my carton of eggs. Absolute maniac out here. and deal with whatever shenanigans I need to get up to here. I'm looking for things in my fridge right now that I've literally forgotten to pull out. I'm gonna need this for later. Yeah, and I'm just gonna add a bit of extra sugar for evaporated milk. I'm gonna go check the internet real quick and see if I can replace evaporated milk with heavy cream and what to do. Of course, Firefox needs to update on my computer here. Will it be as sweet though? Wait. Yeah, I'll add like a tiny bit more, like, then that should be fine. That's not too big a deal. All right. Hello, Nafari. How's it going? 2 bucks in the kitchen. What could go wrong? Nothing, actually. There will be no fires. You can trust me, okay? I'm really cool like that. All right. You have no idea. All right. And I will preheat the oven to 425. And I guess I'm also gonna need like a pan or something. There we go. All right. Time to crack a few eggs. But yeah, face reveal. Volpe did a face reveal. What the fuck does that mean? But you see, I'm not afraid to use my face. Like, dude, I'm built cool like that. Mm-hmm. Mm. And stop seeing the garbage. Yeah, next for Volpe's blessed by hat with their lips. I have indeed. Absolutely delicious hat, honestly. The killing time before the move? Oh yeah, hell yeah. Is that happening today then? Stand on the counter and do a backflip off it? Anguish. I can't do that. I have work later on. If I get injured, I won't have a job, and that's kind of fucked up. All right. I think I've got everything I need, actually. I think we should be good. Cool. Demerara brunch sugar, let's go. Oh, I forgot to like say what I'm using, okay? That's crazy. So far we have 4 eggs inside the what's it called, bowl. About half teaspoon salt. I kind of like eyeball that because, like, you know, most spices I just kind of eyeball on things in general. but we got our can of whole pumpkin in here, and I think that's what we have in here so far. On the side, we have a bunch of different spices prepared to make a pumpkin pie spice, so we'll get there in a second. For now, though, we are going to be getting ourselves a what's called cup of brown sugar. And we're going to do a bit more than a cup because I'm not using evaporated milk, and that's going to be a bit of a skill issue on my part for like how it tastes. So we'll see. Pretty small bean, yeah. Mm-hmm. I'm glad that you're moving today, Nafari. And you know, if you don't take pictures for me, I will be extremely sad, extremely disappointed, and utterly destroyed. Okay. Elastic's not over here. Are they over here? I might be missing my elastics. Well, guess it's sitting on the counter for a while. Yay. Slay. Alright, let me go grab a whisk. Let's get the rest of my granola bar from earlier. There we go. There we go. Elastic tied off. And now I can go get my whisk. I think my plastic one's probably gonna be better, but I'm gonna use the metal one just because I don't know how firm it's gonna be. It's been a while. So that's a bit over a cup of brown sugar. Seemingly I should have used like a cup, but I don't have evaporated milk, so I don't know how much difference there's going to be in sweetness of this mixture versus like not having it. So we'll see. Yeah, we should always be treated like royalty. Wait, what are we making today, Princess? We are making some pumpkin pie. Because I'm cool like that. We love pumpkin pie, and pumpkin pie is delicious. So I don't have evaporated milk, which is unfortunate because like I literally forgot to buy it last night. The one thing, but I do have heavy cream from the fridge for whatever alcoholic beverages I make, so we'll just pour the entire thing in there. Surely 473 mils should be more than enough. And look in your eyes when I'm telling a story and you find it boring. Thing to say. It's like I made a spell. That's fucked. 1 second. Let me clean this up. There we go. Hello, Mars. Howdy, howdy. How's it going today? Welcome, welcome. What you been up to? It, might be half as much of that, but that's whatever. We'll see how this tastes, actually. Normally, I put in, like, 1 can of evaporated milk. That card might be more than 1 can, but we'll see how it goes. Amazing. Not as sweet as you, though? Oh my god, really? That's crazy. Also, Alfie! Oh, Alpha! Like Rock, howdy, howdy, how are you doing today? Yeah, I might have put too much in. I think it's fine, actually. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna put a bunch of ginger in, and I'm gonna go put the ginger away. Cool. Ginger's going away. Time we fight, I know it's not right every time that you're upset and I smile. So the spices on hand that we have here are the ginger. We have ourselves some cinnamon. I got some spare because I'm going to try and use the rest of this bottle. I use a lot of cinnamon in my pumpkin pie anyways, so that probably isn't going to be enough anyways. We have ourselves some allspice. We have some nutmeg. And we have cloves. So first things first, I'm just going to add all that cinnamon in. And we're going to try and judge what to add later on, depending on what type of flavor we have left over. Although I will be adding a lot more cloves than most people are used to. If you ever have my pumpkin pie, it'll be very tangy to the tongue. Ooh, I don't have much allspice left over at all. I have to I'm going to use the rest of this, but I'm going to have to go get more. You can always replace allspice with the other ones, because allspice is really just a mixture of all three anyways, so it's more so just to add more flavor in general. A tiny bit of nutmeg. Not too much. I'm just going to add my cloves, because I'm cool like that. We can just observe as these spices mix in, how the color changes. So the mixture should become significantly darker from where it started off. I definitely had too much cream, but still, it's probably going to be fine. You leave the fat behind, cook off the water anyway, so it's not too big a deal. Make sure it's in as dark as I want it. We're going to add a bit more cinnamon, but yeah, cinnamon actually. And a little bit more cloves. Yeah, we're just making some pumpkin pie right now. I don't need sugar to overpower all the spices as well, right? So yeah, it's getting a bit darker as well here, which is pretty good. Not nutty enough flavor, is kind of stale there, so I'm gonna add a bit more nutmeg. A bit more. A bit more cinnamon. We're getting close there. I think just a bit more cloves and should be good. I guess I have a bit of spare time, so I could probably cook the what's it called? Other stuff I want. Should be good. Yeah, busy with work for now, but got some free time. It's been a while. It's been ages, Mars. What you been up to? Making me want to try that. Yeah, music's kind of clipping. It's going through NDI right now, so I can listen to it. I'll do it the other way around here. Pull up here. Oh shit. Hey, yo, Speak, how's it going? I'm making pumpkin pie right now. What's going on with you? What you been up to? Right, want our audio source to be that. Pumpkin pie, yes. Should be pretty slay. Let's try this. I open up OBS on this here. I don't have OBS installed. Wait, do I not have OBS? Fuck. Alright, let me just quickly go download OBS. 1 second. At least that's I think it's all good. This is fine. Save a like for you. I got you. Also, King 10, thank you for the 100 bits. How are you doing? This should be all good. So oven's ready. I'm just trying to grab this. Oh my god, look at this. What did they do to this pie? I'll be careful with this one. Alrighty. Pull this over. Change perspective. Yeah, I'm really good at like controlling the kitchen camera, okay? And my audio's cutting out a bit. Oh, 1 second. There's no reason that my audio should be cutting out if it wasn't already before, so that's just loss on your end, probably. I don't know. I'm just here, okay? It's existing. Alright. So we're just gonna pour some of this into this tin. We're gonna pour some of this into this one. Or a bit more into this one than the other one because I'm nervous about filling the other one more than that lip. Yep. There we go. And we judge all of our spices by the spice like flavor, you know, not by like certain measurements and shit. Because like it's just a pie. Like the pie should taste good as long as you're not working on like the dough itself. Like it's not really a mathematical problem for the baking side of things. There we go. Couple of cupcake containers for the leftovers into to make pumpkin cupcakes. Oh, that seems pretty cool, actually. Very strategic. Yeah, I think it's just bright because I'm not using evaporated milk, so we'll see how this goes. So I'm gonna stick this in here. Currently, the oven is set to 425. And I'm going to have that cook for about 15 minutes. And then from there, I'm just going to lower the temperature down and get a bit more. All right. This ground beef needs to be used by today, so I guess that's where we're at now. Is I'm going to go and prep this actually. All right. Also, when I do your stealing, does it like cook through fully and evenly as like you'd expect?
avocado oil here. And we're going to stick this in. And turn the heat high. Should be all good. More avocado oil. Should probably go buy it honestly. I love the taste of cinnamon in my mouth. There we go. Hello, Gecko. How are you? Ordered us YOLO proportions. I did a week ago and accidentally get 2.5 pumpkin loaves. Oh my god, that's insane. Are you okay? Yeah. I've got like those, what's it called? Ola Paso, like dinner kits somewhere. Got that right there. I will grab my rosemary chili powder. I guess it's time to cut. Break this down a little bit. I love having extremely large amounts of beef that there's no way I'm gonna be able to eat on my own, so I have to like give some away to someone else. I literally physically can. There's not enough oil for all of this. That's actually wrong. I've been just taking it slow today. Oh yeah, no worries. It's going. You're getting slow. Little echo box. All right. Good job. I'm fine. I'm so tempted to add water. This is so like dry in here. But I know I've got a bunch of oil in here, so it's probably not a good idea. So let's let this like pull the liquids out by heating up, and that should hopefully help possibly. Who knows? Right? Really? I've never had like beef this old that had to do stuff like that, so we'll see. It could be like a complete issue, it could be a non-issue, whatever. Like, I just swear it's too dry. Not enough like oils here, but like that could just be me. Oh, there it is. Okay. It does need a bit more oil. That sucks. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to the washroom real quick. I'll be right back, y'all. Hang tight, listen to the music, and I'll be back. Perfect. Is that actually smell? My ability to smell it, that would be my old maybe. I'd be a little bit cutty, but probably hurt. But yeah, you probably wouldn't be able to smell it actually, you know, because it would probably be inconsistency first before like whatever microbials are in it, like start taking over, like, actually. I do have some chicken in my freezer that I'm ready to use like sometime later this week as well, so I'm not too worried about like not having much like protein or also running through my stuff. But this one I did have done today, so might as well. There we go. Steve was here for a bit, and that's like my bad for not being able to like respond in time, but that's my skill issue. Mm-hmm. Still some raw parts here and there. That should be fine. Mm-hmm. Again. Minutes left before I need to like change up the stuff for the other material. Meat fluids are here and you just coat everything. Some pretty shredded tree right here as well. So that should be pretty good. I put onions in this. So we fucked up, honestly. Rest in peace, my onions. What can you do? You know, at this point. Fucking. That was never done. That's fucking crazy. Oh, what are we waiting for? Okay, we're gonna lower this temperature here down to 350. And set a timer for 40 minutes. Take that, thank you. those. I'm not going to use this otherwise, and I don't want to waste food. Just going to put this sauce on as well. Sauce. I don't know. I'm insane like that. Cool. And these, yeah. It's a bit too much stuff in each of these, but like, it's never. It'll taste good regardless. So you go over to the name ring. I will be right back.
Tacos and D Joker, how are you? Welcome, welcome. All right, beautiful. Let's see. Okay. Hmm. 1 second, guys. Give me like half a minute. There we go. Working but had to stop in. Oh, hell yes. How's work going right now? What you been up to? Yeah, this tastes really good. The tacos. It is missing onion, which I can definitely like feel. I just know it, but what can you do, right? Mm. Also, Wolf Token, if you're still here, thank you so much for the follow from like 44 minutes ago. I missed that. That's my apologies. Mm. So, mm. What y'all been up to? Bring you some, Brendan? Do you want some, what's it called? Some taco meat and tacos? Or do you want some pumpkin pie? Here, let me, You need sustenance, you're recovering? Recovering from what? What happened? Alright. I don't have any good days except maybe the 7th. But I do work at 9 a.m. the next day. I can just see the ad break happening with Spider-Verse on my iPad. Why is Spider-Verse there? Magic the Gathering X Spider-Verse? What the hell? First ever full body wax today? Yo, did you like go to a professional or what? Hmm. Let's wait for the ad break to finish. Cause it's one for the money. Fuckers, are you ready? Let's go. I just realized that I now know where my scissors are. They're literally just sitting with my knives. I've been missing those scissors for years. And by years, it's been ages. All right. What do we got here? Okay, Brendan, are you back? Please be back. Uwu. Did I hear pumpkin pie? There's pumpkin pie in the oven right now. The tacos are just because I need to use my meat by today, so... You know. Yeah, scissors. Brendan, are you here? Are you here? Brendan. Okay, Brendan. Did you go to a professional or something, or what? Because, like, Brendan, I'm like... I've been doing this for myself for a long time. But there's parts that I miss a lot. And in terms of full body wax, did they also do your, what's it called? You know. Okay, Brendan, where did you go? How expensive was it? Because, like, I'm getting tired of doing this myself. And how long did it take you as well? 150 a tip? And how long was it? About an hour. Link me where you went, bro. Hold up. Because all the shit I know of down here is, like, ultra expensive. Like, impossibly so. Alright, that was good, actually. I love taco. Taco is gamer food. Better-da-dum, better-da-dum, better-da-da-da-da-da-dum. Sounds like furry fucker. More conservative body hair will take less time. Wow, Brendan, it's wild that you'd have to say it to me because, like, I'm just telling you right now, I work really, really hard to stay clean shaved. And you probably can't tell how fast my hair grows. But I mean, facial hair is like different. Let me just go to the kitchen real quick. 1 second.
Well, yeah. All right. So if you take a look at whatever like stuff I have here, it's very thick and everything. The last time I shaved was literally before going to bed last night. It's like already this bad. It's like okay, it'll literally probably be like yay long by tomorrow or something. And that's like insanity to me. And then the next day I'll just be like, yay long, yeah, bro, it's fucked up. Dude, my hair like full suit. It's actually crazy like that.
Thank you. She's super chill. We were vibing and chatting the whole time. Oh shit. Fuck yeah. All right. What can I do for 27 minutes? Brendan, are you working right now? To check if Brendan's working or not is crazy. Call me. Call me. Call me. I'm gonna get some water as well. You'll see me in the picture feed in a second. Give me a moment. Okay. There we go. Cleaned up as well. That's all good. All right. Let's see here. So what can I do while I wait for this pumpkin pie? 23 minutes, yeah. Everything's clean. Hmm. What's that you? Oh, yeah. Hi, Duganite. How are you? Welcome, welcome. What you been up to? Hmm. Sounds so excited to have me in your chat. Oh yeah, I love seeing Dukanity. Absolute gaming here. Say as I was enchanting to meet you. Eyes whispered, have we met? A moonlit silhouette. Say to me. Well, conversation starts. All your quick remarks like secrecy. It was enchanting to meet you. All I can say is I was enchanted to meet you. Ba-ba-bum. This light is sparkling, don't you let it go. I'm wonderstruck, blushing all the way home. Enjoy my presents so much. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy your presents for 20 minutes, okay? Trust me. You. Come to knit me up, 2 a.m. Who do you love? Wide awake. I'm pacing back and forth at my door, right? And you will say, and it was enchanting to meet you. And now I was enchanted to meet you. Oh, this night is spotlit. Don't you let it go. I'm wonderstruck, blushing all the way home. I spent forever wondering if you knew. This night is starless, don't you let it go. I'm wonderstruck, dancing down the way alone. Yeah. But Duganite, how have you been doing? What have you been up to? What's been good? I mean, I know Gecko's been having like a really slow day. What's been up with you? Why is there cheese on Fetsu? That is wild. This is me crying out. This is the very first time Been out doing shit? Oh, what's shit? Okay. We're blind, that's true. I forgot to press the buttons. I clicked the button, but I forgot to click off and click back on. That's my bad. Destruction of alone. This should be fine. Okay, let me go set my audio as well. There we go. Perfect. I'm so smart. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Okay, cool. Beautiful. There we go. Beautiful. But yeah, Duganite, oh my god, wow. Out doing shit, getting cat food, bunch of random crap, and helping Grandma with her yard. Oh, okay. And you call that random crap? Do you even, like, enjoy your grandmother? That's crazy. Oh. Slay. Don't twist my words like that. I'll twist your neck. Oh, interesting. As if, like, your paws can even reach that far. Small paws. Mini paws, even. Dude is tiny? That's what I'm saying. Hey, this guy's alive. That's crazy. Hello, Sabine. Howdy, howdy, how are you? We're just waiting for food to be finished in the oven right now. How are you? There we go. There we go. Pisser? Are you calling Gecko a pisser? Okay. You want to go that far, huh? I see how it is. I see how it is. Alright. Oh shit, we got a follow. Luna Furry Wolf, thank you so much for the follow. Howdy, howdy, I'm Volty, and we're here having a chill old time today. Saying wholesome with an S to Risk. Thank you so much for popping by. How are you doing today? Oh, and Justin, cooking up with League? Yeah, exactly. You got it. There we go. Justin, how have you been doing, by the way? What you been up to? Yeah, boys. A yank out of your ass. That is wild. A yank out of your ass. What does that even mean, dude? Bitch. Mm, 2021 was a different time? Okay, understood. Shine bright. Okay, so they just flashed. Was that a hex splash? No, it wasn't. This is Ignite. Okay, that's honestly fair, whatever happened there. Was able to actually do damage. That was an unwise push by the enemy. Was it? I don't know. Z Trollpin, welcome, welcome. Howdy, howdy, how are you doing today? We have 8 minutes left in the oven, okay? It's fine. The game should be done by then, probably. Maybe. Who knows? See if they learn their lesson. they're really fast. I guess it's Zillion probably that makes them like so fast. I can at least clear the wave, so like I am not worried. Decided to pop in because curious. Yeah, so currently we are waiting on pumpkin pie in the oven. So I'm just doing a game of like ARAM or something in the meantime. Unfortunately, my cam for stream and everything is like strange and shit. There we go. There we go. Excellent. But yeah, it's not too bad. Just chilly stuff regardless, you know? But yeah, how are you doing? It's October, yeah, it's pumpkin pie time. It's like Thanksgiving next week or something, right? Okay, cool, that's fine. This year's been going by too fast? Really? I don't know, it's been going by at a reasonable pace, I think. I mean, I guess for you, maybe not as fast as me, but like, you know... things didn't really like pick up speed until, insert time here reasonably for me. Like, ignited me, I'm dead. Oh, I'm not dead, what the hell? Okay. At least, like, the rest of the enemy team is, like, not really able to do much. Alright, cool. Lightspeed blinked in August, yeah? But you're doing good well on targeting your ults. I'm pretty good at League, honestly. I can tell you I did reach Diamond, right? So, like... relative to most other people here, like... I'm pretty good. The important thing here is I need to like put down my E's and not pop them to slow down the tanks, because like that's all I can do. I'm the only like heal that our team has. And it comes entirely through my slow. Okay. And it's my job to clear the wave, so... Here we are. There we go. They have a hell of a tank there with the Horse Rider. Yeah, Rell is like my main, actually, when I play tanks. I play them a lot in like the jungle and stuff, so... Like, I know what they're capable of, which is why I can just like slow them down. Most of their abilities come from them having suspicious speed ups. Like it's not expected how fast they're gonna go until like they're just zooming at you. And at that point it's too late. Because they get like a move speed whenever they use like some of their dash abilities and stuff, so... I have to use my W after she uses her Q. So when you see her like extend her like javelin out, I have to be using my W to put my shield up after that happens because it pops my shield entirely. I cleared the wave, so like they have less ability to clear that tower, but they're probably gonna get it anyways because like they just can, which kind of sucks because like I can't perma clear if they kill that tower. They can just kill this inhibitor anyways, and then once they kill the inhibitor, I can't do anything anyways. So yeah, they pretty much killed my ability to stall the game, whatever this enemy team is. So I'm just gonna try and counter their health regen at this point, because like there's not too much else I can do. Alrighty. Yeah, Joker Pie? It's so real. I love Pie. I should be ready in about 5 minutes or so. Working, can't stop thinking about pumpkin pie. Let's go! Okay, they're getting a lot of stacks on this Heart Steel. What the fuck? Oh, I hit them as well? Oh, shit. George Shelfscut that can finally disassemble this entire thing? Yo, W? Easy disassemblement? Make it around. Cause the heart keeps pissing away. Alright, let me pull that out of the oven. I'll be right back.
Enemy killing spree. Your ally has been slain.
There we go. Yeah, Alex, what's up? What's going on, my dude? Arr? Nope. What can you do at that point? They don't have any armor pierce, do they? Wits End, Wits End. I mean, I guess lethality, but lethality's not going to be good against those tanks at this point. They have LVR. Hello, Phoenix. Howdy, howdy. How's it going? They have Bork and LVR. Like, this person is the one who can kill this person, but they don't have enough attack speed. They don't need Collector, I don't think. Alex, how do I win this game?
Your ally shut down an enemy.
By putting me in, coach? That's how? Levi, are you getting on? You hopping in, Aram? Oh, God. How am I gonna do this? They die there. That's good. Got down with a little hop in, and I'll hop in. Oh yeah, exactly. All right, we're gonna go show the high in a second though, dude. Morellonomicon is the only thing I can think of to, like, do anything of use right here. It's too late for me to invest in, like, the lead and shit. Okay, fucked up sentence, scatterbrained? Dude, you're literally fine. I'm like, I'm omega braining right now as Lux in fucking ARAM, dude. Like, what the hell is wrong with me? Okay, well, Zillion shield us down. How are they gonna kill Rel, though? So where do I join ya? I will join a call in a second. I'll join like the Foxforce channel or something. Alright, MS is useless at this point.
Your inhibitor's been destroyed. Time to bushwhack the bush.
There we go. Getting a little 3-man going crazy. That's real. All right, let me show you guys the pie. All right, turn that cam on. Look at the pie. You guys see that shit? Holy fuck. Let me actually go to the Hi, yes. Give Rel the honor there. Pretty good. Yo, yo.
I see. This is the call.
Yeah. The cool channel or something.
Oh my god, my headphones. Give me a second.
Yeah, yeah, take your time. Yo, so how did that pie? All good? I love pumpkin pie. I love it so much. I'll check my roommates upstairs, one of them. All right, let me just get rid of this camera here for y'all. All right, flashbang. There we go. Yo, Levi, Alex, how do you?
Hello.
Hello. Okay. I can plug this bad boy in. Charge.
I honestly haven't played this game since we last played, so
Oh, same here. Don't worry.
look at us go.
I just had 26 minutes to spare, so that's where we're at.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I gotcha.
Okay, where is my cable? There it is. Plug this bad boy into here. And I guess I need to change category now or something. Gross. How long do I have until work? Is the question. 2 hours. We're good.
We're so good.
We're so good. There we go. Beautiful. Wait, I can't invite. I can't invite Levi? Oh, they're probably updating. Oh, they're in the Riot client. Never mind. Hi, indeed. Pie. Alright, let me set the camera here. That'll work.
Should be good now.
Don't worry, Toxic, I got you.
What?
Oh no, Fee's here. Oh, we'll have to invite
Oh,
Fee as
no.
well, surely. Some stinky Foxverse members showed up. Dude, I want to hear this song again. You know, I think the one thing that League of Legends definitely needed was battle passes, honestly.
Oh, 100%. It made the game so much better.
Big
Said
improvement.
who?
Said me, actually.
To both of us, you know.
Yeah.
What is
We
wrong
love battle
with you?
passes.
What is wrong with you? Why? No, never again. No. Are you okay? No.
Oh, this is disappointing. I already have Lulu, so I have to disenchant this Lulu token.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god, Zillion actually got a skin.
Oh, Zillion has a skin? Yo.
For once.
Okay. Wait. All the characters are cheaper in Blue Essence. What the hell?
Yeah, they knocked down everybody's blue essence.
Oh,
So this is
shit.
gonna get into the game better. Quote. I don't know.
Okay, so I'll buy Renata.
Do they want to take our money or not? So making it really hard to tell.
Well, the battle pass, so like surely.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. One of their best decisions, by the way.
Oh, absolutely. Insane decision. I'll get Bard as well. I want to get Rek'Sai because Rek'Sai is my hero. She's so cool.
How is Yunari?
Busted.
I think they need to like hit twice in order to like be online, but like when they're in a fight, they're like OP. It's very similar to Zeri, like pre-nerf,
Oh no.
but like they don't have as
It's,
much mobility. I
Four
don't think.
autos.
Oh, it's 4 now. Okay.
4 autos on champions and 8 autos on minions.
I thought it was
And then
2
they
on
get their
champions and 8 on
empowered auto
minions, but that
attacks.
might be bad. That might be old.
That's disgusting.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then their empowered autos last for like 8 seconds. It's so cool.
I like that. That's actually really, really effective. I
I
really
love
appreciate
League of
that.
Legends.
Yeah, and their normal empowered autos are the same as Zeri's ulted autos. So they travel through champions to other champions. It's so
I
cool.
love League of Legends.
Hmm.
I love League of Legends.
I love.
All right. Am I missing any of my main characters? Is the real question. Kaisa. There it is. Nico.
Huge, huge.
Oh, I can get Rel or
I'm dividing,
Nico. Oh,
on the
fuck.
scan, actually. Nico.
I mean, Diego.
Diego, what in the 180? I mean, I played
That was
Diego,
just
but
completely unrelated to either of
was-
the champions that you named before.
Yeah, but like it's fine. Never forget the yeah. Off of every league in this economy. Listen, I just made Pi, okay? So like it's time for League of Legends.
3.141592658.
3-5.
And that's fine.
No, 3-5-8-9-7-9-3-2-3-8-4-6-6-6-4-3-3-8-4-1-9-7-4-6-9-9-3-7-5-1-0-5-8-2-0-9-7-4-9-4-4-5-9. That's as far as I go. Sorry.
Man, watching your captions try to keep up with that was quite entertaining.
Yeah, it's fine. That's a crazy state. It's fine.
3 people engaged in a number that's infinite.
What do you want, Tibbs?
Tibbs, trust, it's fine. It's okay.
My league is updating.
Yeah, you're all good. Don't you worry.
Everything is on hold. I have a Hextech chest.
I'm just stretching.
Why? I'm
Oh, I need to message my roommates to see if they want pie. 1 second.
Sweeper, Alistair, and then what's this mystery icon? Okay.
Yes.
No, I don't want that.
You know, there's only 3,100 lessons. Yoink.
I only have 20. I have 2,200. But do I know how much orange essence I have?
How much?
Take a wild guess.
9K.
It's actually not far off. Yeah, I got 7K.
Yeah, that
You're
checks.
doing all.
What do I do with this?
Shut up,
What do I do
Popper.
with
Okay, bro,
7K?
you're too. Okay, 1 second.
Nothing. You sit there and
there we
look
go.
at it.
Ha, you're handsome. Got him. Get destroyed. Get annihilated.
Yep.
Is it really just for?
And it's not even for like
What can you
skins
do, right?
in general. It's for skin shards. Can't even just like buy skins with it.
No, you can. If you have the champion and the skin is like not a permanent in your inventory, you can turn it into like the skin.
Well, yeah,
Really?
but you need to have the permanent.
Just fed off 25
a
numbers of
shard.
pie. Yeah, it happens, Joker.
I got some good skins in my bank right now. I got Winter Wonder Oriana, Star Guardian Rakan, Sentinel Irelia, Lunar Guardian Malphite, and Lux. I have Blood Moon Sivir. Urgot the Clockfather. What the fuck? That's a skin name? I didn't what? That's a skin name?
I could get on the main account and just kind of like
I've-
show
I
off
have
the
not
4
played
digits
this
that
in
I've spent on this
forever.
game.
What? I mean, I've spent 4 digits throughout like 5 years on Valorant, so hey. I spent it on the other retail game.
Nice then. How dare Popper get fucked, alright? Alright. When we get into the game, I'm gonna go put one of the pies in the fridge because my roommates do want a pie, so I'll just give them that one.
Huge.
Apparently, there's a lot of people over right now. Like,
What?
one of my roommate's dad's the brother of my other roommate, and like, yeah, etc.
My father, my sister, my cousin.
And a
my
friend of their
cousin, my
brother.
sister-
So there seem to be a large number of people up here.
That's a lot of people.
Yeah.
Oh, well, time to accept. I was just about to start going off about naming different family and like different people.
Oh, I don't want to play either.
Oh,
of these games.
Akshan, let's go. I hate Akshan.
I like that it gives you a choice. Akshan is gonna be awful. I don't know how to play Brand. How do I play Brand?
Are you guys gonna make me play Akali?
I'll play Mbessa. Let's go
Yo,
for
I-
it.
I
Let's
got
do it.
Akshan. What runes do I want?
PTA.
I do, huh? Did I have a stroke trying to ripping attack?
Press
skill
the
damage,
attack.
mana. Which one is press the attack?
Press the A, actually.
Got it. Got it.
Press the ass. It's in precision. Then you're gonna want Triumph, Legend Haste, Last Stand.
Don't
And
you
then
mean
Domination
middle,
through secondary.
bottom right?
Your Honor, what the fuck?
Sorry, what are these names of runes? Excuse me? Alright, I'm gonna go put this in the fridge.
What in the jibber jabber did I just hear?
Runes, you know.
Wingardium Leviosa. Why does this Morgana load in look like so disappointed at this at Twitch? Do you see that? It's like kind of connecting.
A mother chastising her child.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing.
Ugh.
Whoa.
Alright.
It's still Chemtech.
Beautiful.
All right, what's their team looking like? Wow, this is gonna fucking suck. Okay. We're
Oh, yeah?
100 guy.
All right. So how do I? I haven't played League in forever.
Don't get hooked by Blitz, probably.
There's a cannon. Wait, is this Goldwater now?
Yeah, they have 3 maps, which sucks. Okay, they're gonna try and hook into that bush right now, I think. Wait, you're the creature. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's just go in.
I missed. It's over. He missed his hook. Come on, Mord. Crush. I couldn't move out in the middle of that.
I got
How
knocked
unfortunate.
up by Blitz when I went on him.
No?
Yeah.
He was surrounded by us and still missed a hook, so that was pretty fantastic. That's not right click at all.
Ow. I'm back, boy.
Better part about having action, I guess.
Yeah, I got you.
Oh shit, I'm supposed to use, 1 second. I'm swapping to a... Not this capture. Display capture. There we go. Like is gone. Good luck.
Look, soldier.
The CC is wild.
They're too tanky for me. Like, I'm actually in a bad situation here.
Yeah, this is not a great Akala game at all.
Not at all. It's like, I'm gonna lose my mind.
I mean, I'm playing.
So your one job is to make sure Twitch can't play the game.
Wait, they have a Twitch?
Yes.
What?
Oh no. Oh, bye.
I've been ceased. It's unfortunate.
Thank you.
Forget it. Forget living,
Oh,
honestly.
she probably still has Q.
Yeah, I went really deep there. That's fucked. There's a lot. I don't know. Your FPS looked fine. Yeah, so my FPS is fine. It's literally just OBS, like, not liking different types of captures that you use for League of Legends. If I delete this capture, maybe? Yeah. Tell Levi not to in.
Beam, I kill you.
Levi's only died once.
I hate the amount of, like...
Lower down qualities. Maybe that'll help. It doesn't affect my, like, FPS. My FPS is fine.
Okay, bye. I got grabbed.
I did a lot of damage to set. I
I got out
Oh,
of
if I was
the
still
chain. That's
alive.
crazy.
Well.
Alright.
I got ult as I died, so that's super unfortunate.
That's rough.
What's happening to my
I really don't want to get by Rocket Belt, but like...
He fucking flashed. Come here, bitch. No.
I'm gonna get this guy. I'm in this guy. I'm executing. Shit.
Oh, this Twitch has so much peel. It's actually unfortunate.
I mean, he had to flash out of my combo, so...
I hit him with my ult and then died, so.
I mean, ideally he gets all the kills, and then we get Action to res everyone every time.
True.
That's the problem is I need to get fed, and I have not played this.
You don't need to get fed. You just need to get the kill or assist. As long as he gets all of the damage, like, we're all good.
Oh, we have a Cho'Gath? Right on.
Oh, we do?
Damn, we are really, like, not paying attention right now, aren't we?
I'm paying attention. He's not doing it. He's not doing the things that make it look like he's in the game. The enemies aren't being knocked up in the groups when I'm going in.
Kind of. Is you wearing protection or no?
Man, I love CC. It's so much fun.
Yeah, I got him.
No!
Okay. Oh no! Yeah, never mind.
I know, I couldn't, no.
Yeah, something changed and it didn't work anymore, so I had to use screen capture. Yeah, so I just swapped over to screen capture here, and I think we're looking better-ish.
You know what's funny is they fixed that issue for Valorant.
They did?
Yeah, but not for this game, which is
That's fucked up. The proof that they love Valorant more than League now.
I mean, esports.
Valorant makes them more. Well, I think League makes more money than Valorant.
League absolutely makes more money than Valorant, but because I'm just getting CC'd in this completely now.
Just gonna pull this snowball back here.
Fuck.
Oh, that's just dead.
Rest in
Yeah.
peace, Alex. Don't worry, I'll get a kill.
Yeah, Twitch is low. Has no flash, question mark. I know you'd like a little more confidence in that, but I'm sorry, this is all I can offer.
He hasn't a flash yet. I think he hasn't a flash for like another 30 seconds. We're good. Okay, I want him to bring me to Twitch. Yep, this is good enough. Got him. I got rid of Twitch. Like, I'm happy. Now we're gonna get their other res off? This is the creature. What the fuck is the creature, bro? Like,
Got it!
I love this champion so much.
looks the same, but it's not here to complain. I swear. No, you're fine. I'm just so bad at like getting things to work well.
Oh my god, no.
Oh yeah, it's actually happening again. 1 second. Pull up. I got this. It's literally just deciding, hi, I want to stutter. Let's use a game capture. Surely game capture is like the way to go.
Surely. I pressed R on Twitch and
Almost got
oh
Twitch.
no, the Q!
My Q was so direction. That's fucked. My bad. You saw it.
Yeah, I pressed R on Twitch and it went on Morgana, so I guess.
Oh well, you know, I guess you can't do anything about that.
Guess not. We must build Death's Dance.
Only 40.
That worked. Oh, perfect. Okay, I solved it. I'm good. I'm skilled.
That missed? That's insane.
I was gonna help you, but
No, I'm beyond help. I was just making space.
it's okay. No one's beyond help. Just call the number. I'll be leave it into though.
No, you just get the res. Surely.
No, you died after the kill.
Yeah, about that res. So I'm gonna need 3 to 5 business days on that one.
Oh, okay. Well, you know.
Ah, yes, I need more ability haste. Yummers.
Yup.
Stop.
Okay, I'm just gonna get a Banshees and that's all good. Dude, I'm trying to like
I got my
out.
thread, surely that'll be enough.
That
Oh!
sucks for me, I guess. PC.
I'm trying to hand stuff them and I can't hand stuff them because like I'm just characters are bad. We leave their ADC open and yell don't do anything. Are they talking about who's we?
I don't know who we is. It ain't me. I'm in the back line of every fight, bro. Which probably has R now. He hit the plant, so.
Yeah. Move it. Yeah, I couldn't do
Literally
it.
on Twitch as we speak.
I couldn't do anything. You gone? Good.
Twitch is dead.
Okay. I went into the fight and Blitz just like turned around onto me. His
Oh,
snowball's
shit, I
down
think they're
though,
doing a
so.
little too much right now. Just gonna ignore this guy. If you go, I go. I'm tanking.
Yep, go go. Moving up.
I'm going to turret.
I'm dead as fuck. Good luck, soldier. It's all you.
Got it.
Nice.
You guys got a very fed set ahead of you.
Nah,
You're
it's
dead.
all
Oh
dead.
my
All
God.
dead. We're good.
Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh shit. Abort. Abort.
Wait, I get spell shield from just having Verdant Barrier? Why would I ever go up to Banshees? I don't need 20 extra seconds of that.
For the NLR.
Wait. Oh yeah,
It just
NLR.
has, NLR in the build, doesn't it?
Yeah, but I'm cooler than that, so like I'm cool.
Anyway, I can't spit.
Oh, I'm not back up yet. Fuck.
I'm dead as fuck. We need to kill Morgana. Ugh. Damn, Twitch just lives. Why did we fight without my R?
Why would we fight without me?
Honestly.
Alright, this Cloud is...
Gotta lock it down, chat. That's so true. How are the League of Legending? It's pretty good. It's post-cooking, so like, I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, well,
chilling, you know. We got Blitz.
No. I got one. I love the set art and screaming. And there's John Cena.
there we go. Oh, nice. All right.
I got 115 gold for killing him. Huge.
Okay, we missed one minion. We missed an entire wave.
Oh.
Look at this,
I didn't
got
get
it.
Thank you, Pookie. I don't have any energy. I can't join.
I'm out of energy as well. I also don't have ult, so like I'm not.
Yeah, I don't have ult either.
W
I
is
don't want to
kinda
fight.
I'm walking back. I'm walking back. Yeah, I trust that he's dead.
I think you do damage.
running in, lads. I had to flash. I had to flash.
You had to? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Good for you.
yeah, you
Yeah.
had to.
Mm-hmm. You know, I had to walk away as well, so like.
I'm out of there.
Okay, got him.
Trundle, you don't win this.
I'm alive still?
I have ult 5, we can stall.
Okay. That's crazy. Well, I got the other one, so like.
Men go in. Men go in.
Oh my god! Bro, you just keep
Men go
dashing.
in. Men go in.
Sorry.
Men go in.
I love this character.
Men go in.
Hell yeah.
Playing Arim, aren't you? Oh yeah, just a little bit, honestly, Zizo. It's a little bit gamer if you think about it.
What are these birds doing here?
Kill him! Kill the creature!
That's a Twitch. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I did not see that at all.
Oopsies.
Wait, I'm just gonna leave him alive. Wait, he's low health. I'm just gonna take all these.
He does have Bork, but
Okay, well,
I don't think he'll be able to heal up as much as he'd like to. I have ult in 30.
30 minutes? Damn.
No, 30 seconds.
You get what done in 30 seconds? Damn.
Alright, bro. Alright.
I'm sorry, I'm being a shit dad.
Alright, bro. I get it. I like how you're just like up in this guy's face. No, 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 no. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I gotta just walk next to Blitz. Like, if he can't hit me, it's fine, right?
Chance of growing.
I think so. I'm trying to wait until Twitch is on my fucking screen.
Guys, I think it's throwing. Oh, fuck! Fuck!
I'm coming with you.
He's dead.
Guys, he has 3 in their back line. You guys are, there's 3. You have 3 to
I'm here.
Sagas? Oh, right, Ambassador's just a stupid character. That's right, watch this. Yep.
No, my shield, dude.
Oh, well, Ambassador's certainly a character. Goodbye, Cho'Gath.
Nah, he's fine. Cled's here now. Cled is also a character in League of Legends.
You can never have too many kunai.
I like how you're just like hitting the inhib. Nice.
Your ally has slain an enemy.
Oh.
If they're small,
Well,
they're scared.
We'll be doing the Lord's work. We're already pushed.
All right, so
then go in.
good to go. Okay.
Good to go.
All right, I'm doing this. I'm doing this.
You just sidestep me.
I'm lazy.
What is Cled? I mean, I guess you got Twitch's R.
Twitch, all right, let's go. Easy. Yeah, I got my buy as well, so like, yeah.
Exit out.
Um,
I have to kill Twitch.
does Twitch have any MR yet?
Oh, what in the jump? What's happening?
Your allies on a killing spree.
I gotta go.
Yo, I'm here.
Suddenly remember I gotta.
Yo, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Let's go. Let's go.
You gotta fold the dishes.
Yeah, you not heard that one?
Where the fuck is Twitch at? Oh, he's dead.
You guys heard the, 1 second, I gotta go walk my stick.
No,
What's this one?
that was not a good idea.
I was ready. Okay, like I believed.
Oh my god, look
Don't
I
let
also
them
missed my
Morgana
ult,
dies.
so
Morgana
that
dies.
really
We get
didn't-
back. Oh, never mind. It's gone.
Yeah, there's no more revives.
That's crazy.
They disconnected.
I haven't played ARM, so it's not as complicated as this now. Oh, really?
This is what I got me.
No, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
Wait, I'm ultimate.
Yeah, you have Borg. Like you'd win. Your ult does nothing though.
No, Trundle tanked it. Huge, going in.
So the thing about ARM, by the way,
Coming.
Levi, is that the further away the enemy is, the less damage you do.
Noted. I just did a lot. I didn't run anybody. But. Trundle.
I gotta go.
Wait, no, the Trundle, the Trundle.
I needed to create space. Oh, one more auto. Okay, the
Nice.
minions got him.
That's right.
Get over
That was an
here.
interesting reaction or interaction.
Wait, he didn't want to go in?
Yeah, that's right, buddy. Back away.
I don't think you win that.
I actually don't know who wins this. I think
Well,
you do.
let's let them 1v1. Well, so much for that. I guess.
Okay, well, you know, it's neutral, okay? I'm just neutral about that.
Yep. That's where you gotta go.
Alright, let's see. Where's the, There he is.
Don't worry, guys. I'll stick behind and take care of the minions.
Bruh. I think that was Tower Vision, possibly? No, it's just Instant Burst. You guys got the wave, right?
Yeah, we got the wave.
Alright, you might want to walk back now. Twitch is in, Twitch is in
no.
Biz. There.
Bye.
Okay, cool.
Alex, I can't help that. I can't help that. Get out. Get
No,
out,
no,
get
it's fine.
out.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
We're
They can
fine,
have
we're
most
fine.
TP up there, and that's where Blitz is.
You, however, are playing a dangerous game.
I know. Well, I mean, I can sneak away. I'm invisible. Remember? I just walk away.
Only within a certain distance. If they're like right
I
here,
know.
they'll be able to see you.
No, I see the radius. I see the
Mm-hmm,
radius.
All right, I'm here. I'm here, guys. Watch this. Look at me right here, bro.
We're going in. Oh my god, we're going in.
Twitch.
I'm ulting.
Got him.
Flash out of Marg's ult.
Got one.
Blitz is on me. Oh, he ulted. Blitz ulted on me. You guys are good to go on him?
You're not running away from me, bro. I'm invested.
Give me the res, please. Let's go.
Got it.
All right, we win this out. Let's go. Let's go finish this up.
Been going. I do need this flower though.
Yeah, take it, take it.
And then this.
Well, we should take it for you. You heal less if you take it first.
Well,
I got you, don't worry.
well, they're back now, but we can at least take inhib.
Well, yeah, but like they can't come on this side because I'm here. And they can't go on that side because Alex is there.
Pick up poison.
I have ult in 8.
Playing League, blink twice if you're being held hostage. The damn being held hostage.
Fuck.
Alright, I got Morgana ult down.
I kill Twitch.
Help, 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 help. Ow.
I almost killed Morgana, but you're good.
No, she got me with the Q, dude. Fuck.
How much does Conquer heal for you? Only 1800? They might have nerfed your
Yeah, it's not that
character.
much. I think they have. What a shame. Alright, do I build Thormail last, or...
Absolutely.
what am I
Why would
doing
you
here?
answer?
No, I'm dying. Or I'm ending.
I'm ending despair.
What are you thinking about going anything except unending despair? Like, I don't know.
I don't know, anti-heal, because this one heals, this one heals, this one heals.
Oh, yeah, that stuff, that's not important. Okay, what's go up to?
I'm in there. I need to get out of here. I'm stunned. Whoa, Twitch is like right here. What the
Why
fuck
did Twitch
is he
walk at
doing?
us? Alright, I got the other one.
I got Trundle.
Set on me. Ow. my
It's just you, it's just you.
I didn't get the
Okay, creature maxing? Let's
Wait.
go!
Oh my god, what?
This is why it's called the creature, bro. Alex, your energy is
Going.
crazy.
You're wild. Oh my. Wait,
Look at the health, they're healing. Like, why is this character a thing?
just like,
I hate
What
the
happens when you put
creature.
a challenger player in lobbies with bronze players?
you're a challenger? I'm so sorry.
That's a valid response to that statement,
Honestly.
honestly.
Playing with Alexei and Abrams is actually like unfair for the enemy team. I'm gonna tell you right now.
Unfair.
Yeah.
Playtime's
Let's drink.
Should I do that?
Yeah, do it.
I don't want to
Go,
do that.
go.
Settle, coming in.
I see a Twitch.
I got
I
Twitch.
missed my ult.
I got him. We're good.
That's all you. I'm still way back here.
I got the other one. Okay. I got both the problem ones, alright? We're good.
We are indeed good. I just need to figure out a way in.
Yeah.
This is my way in.
That goes. Let's go, let's go! Hardcore!
I'm helping.
And kill him. Alright, that's it. Nice job, guys. Nice job, guys.
I'm helping. I'm helping.
Okay, I'm waiting to say good game well played because I know Twitch is gonna come in with ult. He hasn't ulted yet. Pokey, hello. Okay, yeah, I can say it now.
Oh, fuck.
No, finish it,
Why
finish
is he
it.
not dying?
Finish the game.
He's not dying. Why did I bought that pot by mistake? Whoopsies.
We have we made a grave error in our lapse of judgment.
We are fine. I'm full build now.
I just bought Rabadons. Like my AP just went up by like 300. We're good.
Enemies inhibitors respawn.
Yeah, I think you can literally one-shot Twitch at this point.
Yeah.
Does Twitch have Titanic?
Oh,
No, he's
I'm gonna be
Ravenous.
an-
I
What
might
the
not be able
fuck?
to
That's why
one-shot
he's
him.
not dying.
I'm going to be an asshole.
Wait,
Building
Ravenous Hydra? Oh shit.
I kind of see the tech. I'm not gonna lie.
You know what else I see?
I just love standing next to Blitz and he just stands there. He can't do anything about it, right?
Ow. Hey, I know. How do I heal? Is there a way to heal? I can't heal. I'm dead.
Twitch
I'm
dead.
a dead man.
Alright.
And for the cause.
Oh, Trundle's back here.
I got
You guys are good, okay?
I got him. Look at me go.
I'm baiting really hard.
I could die to a minion here.
I will die to a minion here.
You and I. Look at us.
I'm fine though, you know. If I die, I die,
I'm
you
aggroing all
know.
the minions. It's all good.
What's our sled doing? I might die.
Thornmail.
That
Thank you. Alright, I'm good to go.
We aced. Oh my god.
I'm full health now. Like, I don't know. I fully healed. What's this?
I'm also full health.
Where's Twitch at? Look at this.
All I know is that if Twitch is on my screen, I'm flashing on him.
If Twitch is on my screen, I'm flashing on him. Oh, there he is. I saw him.
Help me. Help me. Help, help, help!
I'm just gonna hit this, honestly.
Actually, this guy.
I'm hitting this. No.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I did a decent amount of damage to it, so like, I don't know. Come on, Joe, yes! Okay. Yeah, Zhanya's?
Wait, why did I just build Infinity Edge? I don't know if I
That was kind of crazy because Set tried to ult me and I ulted Twitch and went unstoppable.
I'm just realizing I don't have Kraken Slayer. I just feel like an idiot. Can I just like undo that?
I mean, it's up to you. Like, I don't know if Kraken Slayer's like big or small right now at this point.
It's pretty big against their health bars.
Do you have a Bork already? Yeah, okay, yeah, never. It'll be fine.
Our Kled is making a lot of interesting decisions. And it's kind of working, which is disturbing, to say the least.
You know, disturbing.
Ow! The amount of health I just fucking lost from Set's W?
Anyway, just gonna do that. And this.
I'm dead. Just give me the res here.
Alright, that's just fucking...
Just give me that res, yeah.
I got it.
Nice job, alright, thanks. Alright, I'm good to go. Find me that Twitch.
Oh my god, Twitch damage is wild right now.
Alright, I guess Twitch is dead. That's fine.
Like how far?
I do want to check the time. Yeah, I have enough time for one more.
You got work.
Yeah, I had 6. I'm closing the store today, so.
Oh boy, the closing shift. I love little feet scatter noises. I'm in
Go,
this
go,
game.
go. End.
Okay.
Yes. Oh my god. Please disconnect this. What was that DC? Wait, what?
That's just how you do it. Once like the Nexus starts exploding, you can just alt F4.
It gets you back into the client faster.
Oh my god, you're an actual challenger player. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
The reason I don't do it is because I've had an incident where my entire team alt F4, including myself, and we've lost the game because of it. Because if all 5
That's
people alt
insane.
F4, you lose.
That's wild,
That's funny.
actually. I've never had that happen. 91,000 damage and 92,000 damage.
My client is going to pop up in any second now, okay?
I can't wait to see my self-mitigate. Oh my god! My self-mitigate is 142k.
Wait, who?
My self-mitigated damage, which is damage
West.
that didn't matter because I healed it.
Oh my god.
Hold on. How much healing did I do?
Alright, 1
It's not
second.
even a stat I could see anymore. Damage healed 28,000.
Okay.
That set actually did most damage in the game.
Okay, I'm just gonna restart OBS real quick.
Okay.
I gotta restart like my old computer. I got an update.
So basically, OBS is not letting me right click and make my scenes invisible and everything, etc. It won't let me press buttons like start streaming. So we're gonna have to end off stream for today until I fix that later on. Yeah, it happens. I'll figure this out myself, but it should be fine. But yeah, I will be seeing y'all shortly or whatever. I'll figure out someone to raid into here. So I'm just gonna close OBS. I think it's something to do with Windows, not OBS itself, so it's fine. Because it's not letting me right click anywhere else anyways, so. See you never? That's crazy. Just make sure OBS can close. Yep. And who's on? Let's just raid Barkus, I think. Yeah, we'll raid Barkus. Alright, guys. If someone figure out a raid message, I can't do that myself, but we'll be back sometime soon, okay? Ciao, ciao, y'all. /raid Barkus B. There y'all go. Ciao, everyone. Stay safe and enjoy yourselves.